Introducing the RGB light bar, designed to enhance your home's atmosphere with a personalized lighting experience. Hello, and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and today I will bring my loyal viewers an in-depth look at the Tzumi Illumalight multicolor light bar, model 6788. Inside this box is the light bar, a base plate and screw, a wireless remote, an owner's guide, and an ad and discount card for pop socket. Now let's take a closer look at this light bar. The rectangular shape allows for vertical or horizontal use and will go on tables, shelves, walls, or other surfaces. The height is 11 inches and provides a large area of illumination. The depth and width is 3 inches, which makes this easy to put behind TVs, monitors, action figures, or inside shelves. The plastic material gives it a rough exterior that should withstand falling over or minor scratches. The included power cable will plug into any USB port found on most smart TVs, computers, or game consoles. You can also add a power brick adapter and connect to a wall socket or surge protector, or use a USB power bank if it's portable and needed. The included remote provides you freedom to customize your selection of 16 colors, or installing the app will grant access to the full RGB color spectrum. The app is available for iPhones and Android devices. Here is a demonstration of the colors and modes the light and remote offers, while I read some information about this light bar. Give any room in your home a unique atmospheric twist with the Illumalight multicolor light bar by Tzumi. Designed to be a colorful backlight for your computer or TV screen, this bar will enhance your home theater or musical experience with customizable accent lighting to coordinate with your programs and simultaneously alleviate light-inducing eye fatigue. Enhance your atmosphere with a personalized lighting experience. Illumalight is fully customizable via remote or mobile app, transforming your space with a soft RGB glow in the color of your choice. This is perfect for living rooms, offices, game rooms, and more. The sleek design adds a tailor-made choice with light patterns and brightness. Moving on to features and specs, which include a wireless remote or app control options, 16-color RGB selection via remote, full RGB spectrum color via app, Apple and Android app compatibility, control multiple bars using the app, adjustable color intensity and brightness, create unique ambient atmospheres, reduce eye fatigue, plastic construction, horizontal or vertical orientation, 11 inches high by 3 inches wide and 3 inches deep. And finally, this costs $8 to $15 and can be found at Wal-Mart, JCPenney, Macy's, and Home Depot. After using this light, I was pleasantly surprised at the ease of position and light intensity, meaning the slender design allowed for it to be put behind my PVM CRT and 19-inch desktop LCD. The placements gave relaxing, soothing lights as I played games or watched movies at night. In addition, I paired this light with an LED light strip behind my wall-mounted 32-inch LCD and it gave my office a party-like vibe. As far as the app, I did not install it because I don't want unnecessary applications cluttering up my phone. The remote, however, was the one weak area since it only worked half the time at most. My experience was very flaky using the remote at any angle or distance to the light. I only want this to cycle through all the lights in a smooth pattern, so once I found that, I left it alone and was pleasantly satisfied. In conclusion, I can't say this is a 100% recommended item, but it is worth the cost at $8 to $10. Thank you for watching this presentation of FMRevu. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to keep more awesome, free content coming your way. And now I'll laugh a little with some outtakes.
3, 2, 1, action!
Inside this box is the light bar. Okay. Or use a USB power bank if it's portable and needed. I'm just going to leave it. Didn't sound good, I'm just going to leave it. Illumalight is fully customizable via remote or mobile app, transferring your space with a soft RGB glow in the color of your choice. Transforming your space. Can't read my writing. I just bragged about that.